In today's video, we are going to talk all about selling PLR ebooks online and promoting them on social media platforms. This can be an incredible money-making opportunity for you and has enabled thousands of people to create extra income in their lives. Before we start the video, I want to welcome you to Cashflow Worldwide, where we show you the many different ways you can make money online. Be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be updated with the most recent and relevant methods to help you generate income online. The number of ways that you can make money online these days is increasing exponentially, so you don't want to miss out on any of them yourself. Our goal is to provide all the money-making opportunities we can so you can benefit from them and earn more money in your life. Now, let's get into it. So, if you're not a writer, that's completely fine, because we are going to show you how you can access pre-written ebooks and recreate them to be your very own to sell online. And this is 100% legal, completely free, and 100% effective. So what we're going to want to do first is find the right ebook for us to sell. A great website we want to show you is called idplr.com, and on this website, you can have access to thousands of extremely high quality and professional ebooks to resell as your very own. So you're probably wondering, how can you sell these PLR books as your very own? Well, let me show you. To be able to sell ebooks that weren't written by you, you will need to find a PLR vendor. And for those who don't know, PLR stands for Private Label Rights. This basically means that you own the rights to the product, where you can then resell them yourself as your very own. And that's exactly why this is a fantastic way for people to build an online income stream, especially if you're a complete beginner. You can start doing this as soon as possible after you've found the right product to sell. And the great thing about idplr.com is that not only do you have access to ebooks, but also videos, software, and graphic packs. And an extra added bonus when you sign up for idplr.com is that you will be able to download 2 products of your choice completely for free. So this basically means that any 2 ebooks that you download for free, you will be able to keep 100% of the profits after every sale from those 2 ebooks. So now, we're going to show you how you can sign up yourself and register completely for free. So after you've clicked on register for free, you will then click on free members. Next, you are going to click right here on click here to register for free. Then you're going to want to put in your email address, confirm your email address, and then check the box that says, I'm not a robot, and then click next. After you've done that, you will be directed to a page that says email verification, where it will then tell you to confirm your account by clicking on the confirmation link in your email. Once you click on the confirmation link, you will be directed to a page that looks like this. Here is where you will put your name, your username, and your password. And once you've done that, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. Then you're going to want to go down and click on the button right here to access your members area. Now what we're going to do is learn how to find a product, how to add it to your website, and how to then promote it on social media completely for free while getting free traffic. But before we do all that, we need to first find an ebook that we want to promote. So in order to do that, we're going to want to go up to products and then click on with private label rights. And so now we can see all of the various PLR ebooks right in front of us. If you'd like to narrow it down further, you can filter by categories right here on the right-hand side. The best way to choose one is just choose one that interests you the most and aligns with your passion most closely. So let's choose one as an example for this video. I'm going to select this one right here. Once you've clicked on one that you selected, there's a download button and a preview button. The preview button enables you to see if this ebook is in fact the one you want to start promoting. This will help you see if the ebook is of high quality and has sufficient information within it. So in order to obtain this ebook, if it is in fact the one you want, you just have to click on download and it'll be downloaded straight to your computer. So when we click on the file that we just downloaded, it will show all of these different things that will really help us better promote this ebook. And that's what's so amazing about PLR products, is that they provide all these different things to help you better promote the product itself. Now we're going to show you how you can actually get access to the book itself. Just click right here. So after you've opened it, you can scroll through the entire ebook and read all of it if you'd like. And now we have access to this entire ebook for us to start selling. Next, we're going to need a place for us to direct potential customers to then purchase this ebook. And in order to do that, we have to create a landing page that includes that ebook, which will allow us to share our own custom link wherever and however we like. Next, we're going to show you a website where you can create a landing page completely for free. The website is called aweber.com. We're going to show you 3 pages that we created for this ebook. We're also going to share some advice on how to effectively create the 3 pages. We won't go super in-depth on how to create these 3 pages because that will make a very long video, and also not everyone will choose to use aweber.com. But what we're about to show you can be applied to any other funnel builder that you choose to use. We like to use Aweber because it is free up to a certain number of subscribers. Now, we're going to show you how we created the 3 pages to promote our ebook. Right here are the 3 pages in our funnel. The first page is called the landing page. Let's check it out. This is the first page that your potential customer is going to view before they purchase their copy of this ebook. As you can tell, the landing page itself is quite simple, but simple landing pages traditionally do quite well. Having simplicity in any funnel page, especially the landing page, is very important because you want to keep the customer's attention on one thing. So having several distractions can result in fewer buyers. As you can see here on this landing page, everything is straightforward, simple, and to the point. So if someone is curious or interested in this product, they can go ahead and purchase it themselves. The things that you want to focus on most when creating your landing page is an eye-catching headline, a compelling description of the ebook, and most importantly, a solid call to action. More often than not, you won't have to create or write any of this content yourself, because when you purchase or download the ebook, it will include all of this information inside of it. And we actually did that ourselves, as you can see right here. We just changed it a bit here because we are not giving it away for free. We're actually selling it. Next, we're going to show you the second page of the funnel, which is the order page. So what you see right in front of you is a standard order page. You will need to have an order page because this is how people are going to purchase the ebook from you. And then the third and the last page of your funnel is a very straightforward thank you page. So you're going to click right here, and this is exactly what it looks like. This page is important because you want to show thanks to the customer for purchasing a product from you. Doing this will show courteousness to the customer, which will then encourage them to potentially purchase more products from you in the future. This page will also confirm that the ebook will be sent straight to their email. What we're going to show you next is how you can place a link in their email so they can actually download the ebook. In order to do that, we have to upload the ebook file to a file hosting platform. We chose to use Google Drive because it's completely free and accessible to most or all people. If you look right here, you can see that we've already uploaded the ebook to Google Drive. Google Drive is so user-friendly, easy, and accessible for anyone and everyone to upload their files of all sorts. This link right here is what we're going to place into our emails that will be sent out to people who purchase the ebook. This will allow them to actually download the ebook. To get access to the link, you just have to click right here and click Get Link. Now, we'll just click on Copy Link right here. Next, we will show you how to add this link to your email that will automatically be sent to anyone who purchases your ebook. So we're going to go back to Aweber, click on Messages, and then click on campaigns. So you're going to want to click on the first email itself, and this is where you will place your link for the buyer to download the ebook. So you can change your text to look something like this, and then click on this button right here to add the link from Google Drive for them to download the ebook. It's also good to include saying something along the lines of, "Thank you for your order. Here is the link to download your ebook." Then you can just click on save, and now your product is ready to be promoted. So in order to promote your product, the best free way to do it is through social media. The best beginner-friendly social media platform that has the highest reach right now is TikTok. You can create content on TikTok that will get you thousands and sometimes even millions of views, which can then result in traffic being driven to your link. And if you create your TikTok account and start off as a business account, you can put a link in your bio immediately and start driving traffic to that link. When creating content, you want to focus on one of three things in order to get a lot of views, followers, and clicks. Those three things are education, inspiration, or entertainment. I would focus mostly on education and/or inspiration. You want to keep in mind that when starting an online business, it can take a while to build a following. But if you're dedicated and disciplined and create quality content consistently, you can reach high levels quite quickly. And that brings us an end to today's video. Tell us what you thought in the comments down below. And if you'd like to learn about a great way to make money online, check out this video right here.